Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 foot massager. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected Mare's electric foot massager machine. Product details. Brand name, Maurice. Application, foot. Model number, M7+. Item type, massage and relaxation. Material, cotton, ABS. Suitable size, 39 to 48. Automatic programs, 3. Massage intensity levels, 3. Voltage, 100 to 240 volts, 65 watts. Item number 2 is air pressure foot massager. Product details. Brand name, Jinkaru. Application, foot. Model number, Z10, other. Item type, massage and relaxation. Material, composite material. Size, large. Plugs change EU/AU/UK/US. Delivery, fast delivery, 24 hours. Warranty, 1 year. Free return, yes. Option, gift, present. Fit for 34 to 47 size. On the top of our list at number 1 we have a 360 degrees foot air pressure leg massager. Product details. Brand name, Noir. Material, composite material. Size, large. Application, leg. Charging model, FE7204A. Power specification, 5 volts 2A. Output voltage, 3.7 volts 2.5A. Product power, 10 watts. Automatic shutdown, 20 minutes. Battery capacity, 3000 mAh. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.